So I want you to picture earning $400 a day from typing on your keyboard completely for free. Well, this is actually reality because I'm going to be showing how you can literally get paid up to $400 every single day by clicking a key on your keyboard, and I'm going to be going in right now, so stay to the end because we're going to be showing you how to make up to $400 a day by typing. Let's go. For example of some work, here's project 1 with the payout was $15 and the word count 300 words. Remember, all of this is being done completely for free, and then you're getting paid $15 for 300 words. Here is project 2, where again the payout was $15 and the word count was 300 words. And here is project 3, where the payout was $15 and the word count was 300 words. So just like that, you can make money by typing words completely for free. So with typing less than 1,000 words, you can get paid $45 to do so. So let's do a quick bit of maths. We go over here and we do 45 times by 10. We get a total of $450. So if you've done less than 10,000 words a day, you could be earning nearly $500,000 in dollars per day for free. So the first thing you need to do to begin earning money is to go over to a website called Type. And what this website does, it tracks how quick you can actually type. So the first thing you want to do is just click on this big yellow button here and just right click it once. Now it will say type in how many words you can type in a minute. So you just want to type in as quick as you can, like on the screen. And the reason you use this website is it helps tell them your typing speed and you're actually typing your speed, because this is a very professional software which basically analyzes how you type, how many mistakes you type, and actually how quick you type, putting it all into one score. Once you have done that test, you just want to go and click on this big yellow box which says improve your typing speed, and just one right click on it. Then it will come up this, and all you want to do is simply sign up to the site. It's very easy, it's completely for free, so I'm just going to do it like so. So now once you've logged in, it should pop up like this with all these boxes locked, and all you want to do is go over to get a certificate, and you want to say be prepared, and you want to start this typing now. So now I've started it, I'm just going to simply fill in the typing test. And once you've actually finished it, what it will come up with is your typing speed, which is your words per minute, and the actually in which you actually typed it. So now there is the certificate just here. Alright, so if you go to overview back at the start, you'll see a certificate just here from doing the typing test. You just want to click on it. So now all you want to do is basically type in snipping tool and get your snipping tool out on your computer, click new, and all you want to do is snip over this certificate like so. So I'm going to do that, and now I'm going to let go, and now I'm just simply going to save that on my computer. So now we have finally got the official certificate completely for free, giving us the accurate documentation of how quick and accurate we type, which can be helpful. All you want to do now is go to talentdesire.com like here, and you just want to click start here, that big red box just like that, and it will take you to a place which looks something like this. So this is the website where you are going to be earning the money from simply typing completely for free. So all you want to do is go over to apply for a job, and you just want to click that once, and it will take you over to this page right here. Now once you're on this page right here, you just want to scroll down, and then it will say a thing saying select an application form, and all you want to do is simply click on that once, and now it has taken you to application for work at home jobs. So now on here, all you want to simply do is click on the online application form just once like so. So now all you want to do is scroll down, and you want to click fill in your details to apply and work with us. So I'm just going to click that once, and now it's taken me to this page where I can actually apply to work with. So all you want to do is simply fill this in. So if we just go to here, and all we want to do is just type in our email address to actually getting into this, and then all you want to do is type in the country which you are currently a resident of, which can be, you know, anywhere in the world, because this way of making money is completely worldwide. So when it comes to what time is best for you, what you want to do is click on this, and you want to click all day, because this will mean you'll be able to make as much money as possible. When it comes to the third job title, you want to type in online job typing, like so. So when it goes to this part, you want to, what I do is I click self-employed, like so, and then you want to go down and you say yes, I've read above the statement. And then with the signature, you just want to simply type in your name. Don't forget to do this. And then all you want to do is click I'm not a robot, and then you just want to click submit. And once you're accepted, you could be given projects just like this, where you get 300 words to type and you get $15 for doing so, making multiple hundreds of dollars every single day by simply typing on your keyboard. Make sure you apply your job on time so you can make sure that you receive as many of these jobs as possible. And just like that, you could be earning hundreds of dollars every single day from typing on your keyboard. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.